You want to hear a revolutionary idea? This is going to go viral. It is about the debates. I think that the debates can be improved for both parties, for everybody. Any debate can be improved like this. The debaters are a different height, and obviously they have to look at each other. Some look down, some look up, some look straight in your eye. You don't have a level look, and this can be improved a great deal. We already know who's taller, who's shorter, who's different color, who's different gender. That is a given already. So if we want to improve the debate, we have to eliminate that factor and put the debaters at each other's eye level, even if we have to adjust their seats. And then the debaters and the audience and everybody interested can focus on what's important, which is what they're saying. And they're not going to say it talking down at someone or talking up at someone, and they're not going to hesitate to look each other in the eye and talk to each other and talk to the moderator. Everybody has to be at high level, okay? And this eliminates one of the differences that don't matter anyway. Thank you.